Today I want to make a vlog, a day in my life. Enjoy my vlog and stay tuned my vlog today. Today I have a day off from campus, so I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning and take my father to work at the Tambun station. You can see from my eyes that I'm still sleepy because last night I did pack assignment until late at night. Oh yeah, don't forget to keep wearing a mask because outside pollution is not good for our health and avoids virus too. Every morning around 6 or 6:30, the underpass is already busy with workers and cause traffic jams. Don't follow us because we are going against the flow, so that my father won't be left behind by the train, and so that it is faster to cut the road. We are not the only ones who are cutting other people's roads too. Yay! Finally, we arrived at Tambun station. Now I want to go home, and don't follow me because I'm carrying a motorcycle with one hand because I'm making a vlog or holding a cell phone. After arriving home, I parking the motorcycle in the house and return to my room and playing on my cell phone. Oh yeah, by the way, I never have breakfast because if I have breakfast, my stomach hurt and I keep going back and forth to the bedroom. After I playing with my cell phone, I left the room and did some cleaning, namely cleaning the house, like washing dishes. For the dishwashing vlog, I don't have the video, but I have the photo, because if I make a vlog while washing dishes, my cell phone can explode because there is LPG gas under the sink. So in case I don't make my own vlog while washing dishes, after that I eat my fried rice. After cleaning the house in the afternoon, I did the intermediate grammar assignment, and after doing the assignment, I watched the Korean drama, namely The Taxi Driver, containing episode 15 and 16, which will end this week. This afternoon I returned to cleaning the house, and my father had contacted me to pick him up. So it was time for me to pick up my father at the Tambun station. Wow, people are starting to pick up their parents, their children are working. Oh yeah, by the way, at 17:57 p.m., the sky at Tambun station is really nice. Take a look, it's good and there's a photo too. Yay, finally my father's train arrived and one by one the passengers left the station. And I met my father after that we returned home. As usual, because the workers had just returned home so it got stuck. Yes, finally we arrived home. Until here first today's vlog. Bye!